Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Welcome to the next lesson in our production process series. So far, we've looked at mass and batch production, but today we're focusing on job production, a method used when businesses create one-off, specialized products. Let's get started. Job production is where a single product is made from start to finish before moving on to the next. It's highly labor-intensive and requires skilled workers to craft unique items. Unlike mass or batch production, each product is different, making this method ideal for customized goods. Businesses use job production when customers want something tailored to their specific needs. It's common in industries like construction, bespoke furniture, and luxury goods. In the UK, companies such as Rolls-Royce use job production to manufacture custom-built cars, and Savile Row tailors create handmade suits for clients. The key advantage of job production is high quality and customization. Since each product is made individually, businesses can focus on craftsmanship and attention to detail. Customers get exactly what they want, whether it's a made-to-measure suit or a handcrafted wedding cake. Another advantage is greater job satisfaction for employees. Skilled workers take pride in their work as they see the process from start to finish, making the job more rewarding compared to repetitive tasks in mass production. However, there are drawbacks. One major issue is high production costs. Since products are made individually, materials are purchased in small quantities, which can be expensive. Labor costs are also high, as skilled workers are needed for every step. Another disadvantage is slow production speed. Because job production focuses on quality rather than quantity, it takes much longer to complete each item. Businesses using job production cannot benefit from economies of scale in the same way as mass producers. There's also a risk of inconsistency. Since each product is made by hand, there can be slight variations between items. While this can add uniqueness, it may also create quality control challenges. Businesses that use job production must price their products higher to cover costs, but they attract customers willing to pay more for exclusivity and craftsmanship. Despite its challenges, job production remains essential for businesses that prioritize customization and high-quality work. In your GCSE business exam, you might be asked to explain why a business would choose job production over mass or batch production. A common question could be, explain one benefit and one drawback of job production for a business. To summarize, job production allows businesses to create high-quality, custom-made products, but it's expensive and time-consuming compared to other production methods. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like this lesson, subscribe to our channel, and comment. I'll be happy to respond. See you in the next lesson on flow production.